Hey YouTube family, welcome to another quick video from me. This is a quick hairstyle video and hope you guys enjoy. In one of my recent Instagram posts, this picture right here, I had a request to recreate this look. And it was also in one of my previous videos. I must say that this is a very easy hairstyle. 1, 2, 3 and then you're done. The only difference is in that clip, in that video where I had that hairstyle, and also in the Instagram post, my hair was freshly done. But right now, as you guys can see, my new growth, the roots are out. But I don't have any plans to retwist my hair or interlock it anytime soon. And I didn't want to wait to create this video, so I'm still going to recreate the look, but just know that the edges are going to look different. But if you want, you can feel free to gel your edges down, slip them down to create a more precise, a more clean, a more neat look. This style, if you have longer locks, like shoulder length to longer locks, you won't need any pins or anything. If you have shorter locks, you might need some pins. I spritzed my hair before I started with this product here. This is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Defunk Hair Refresher Tonic. So I don't like to style my hair when it's dry, so I just spritz the roots with this so that it's more pliable and it's more manageable when I am working with it. A big, chunky 2-strand twist, I think, if I'm trying to remember correctly. And then just bring it back like that. There we go. Cute already. Cute already. And then now, you just take hair from the side. And then you're going to use that hair to tie it down. So my hair is also curly now, and it wasn't curly before. So it's making it a little bit more difficult because I have curls. But it's going to make the end style even cuter. So you just did a knot, you tie it down. I know the back might be looking kind of crazy, but it's okay, we can fix it. And then I just do one more now because now the hair is down. I can hold it much neater. Another step from the side. Another step from this side. And I try to tie it, but also tie it on top of the one that I did before. Just so that it looks neater. Because the first one that I do is not as neat. And then just tuck in all the loose ends. Tuck, tuck, tuck. And that is basically it. But for the video for the photo, I had my hair, I just pulled my hair to the side like this. Back. Hopefully you guys liked the video. It was a quick and easy tutorial and you found the style easy to do. If you do recreate the style, don't forget to let me know so I can see it and I can be like, yes, go with a good up style. But that's all for now, you guys. Have a good day. Don't forget to always enjoy your journey. Be creative with your locks. Don't forget to support me in my entire journey on all of my other social media sites. Everything is at KayaJourney. And that's it, darlings. That's it. Have a good day. Someone always calling my phone. Why don't you about text message me? Anyway. Bye.